Tatra na kayo. Okay. So good morning everyone. So for today's video, I will discuss about GCash, the comparison of GCash and PMaya. So this is my title, GCash versus PMaya, a comprehensive comparison. So as we know, kaning GCash and PMaya is the most kanang ginagamit diri sa Pilipinas, which is kanang mo ni ang pinaka easy way to access no through it is a wallet or the electric wallet. So first overview, GCash and PMaya are the top e-wallet service in the Philippines, as what I said earlier. And then both provide cashless payments, money transfers, bills payment, and more. So this presentation compares their features, fees, and usability to help others choose. So for their accessibility of the both GCash and Maya, so for the mobile network, GCash is open to all. Originally for Globe SIM, and then for PMaya or Maya, it is open for all networks. And then for the registration, it requires mobile and ID to register in GCash. And for PMaya, it is also requires mobile number and ID. So same lang sila way of registration. Nakaka-fill upan dito. And then for the acceptance, it is widely accepted, and for PMaya, it is increasingly acceptance. And then for the features of GCash and PMaya, for send money, GCash is free to GCash, fees for banks, and for PMaya or Maya, it's free to fees or banks. And then for the bills payment, for GCash, it is extensive biller list, and then for PMaya, it has a wide biller list. And for the savings, GSave is climbed to approximately 2.6% to 3.5%, and then for Maya savings is up to 4% to 5%. So as my personal experience, as my personal perspective, mas lindot mag-save sa Maya, which is ang ihang savings kay every monthly ang interest, and then sa GCash is everyday everyday interest. And then for the investment, G investment, which is the mutual funds, and for the Maya invest, which is the crypto. And then for the credit, for GCash, G credit is short-term loans, and for the PMaya is the Maya credit or the credit line. And then for insurance, G-Insure option is available. So may mga available ito sa GCash, mo ito makitaan sa GCash apps. And then for the PMaya, it has a limited option. And then in the fees, for GCash in OTC, so free for some fees, which is kasagaran mabayad is approximately 20. So for 1,000 magbayad ka og 20 pesos for the charge. And for PMaya, same sa GCash, na ikay charge approximately 20 pesos. And then for the cash out, its fees is 20 to 50 or free via banks. And same sa PMaya, which is it has a 20 to 50 free via banks. And for the bank transfer, na siya charge nga 15 per InstaPay, and same sa PMaya, 15 pesos per InstaPay. And then for the usability, for GCash, it is a user-friendly interface, e-commerce integration, or QR payments. So dali ra kay siya gamitan ng GCash. And then also for PMaya, so it is a modern interface, advanced tools, which is crypto and credit or QR payments. So promos and rewards for GCash. GCash have a cashback promos, referral rewards, and vouchers. While Pimaya has a gamified cashback, high interest saving offers. Yes, I said uh, earlier, mas nice mag-save sa Pimaya. It has because it has a high interest saving offers. And then for the security, both apps OTPs, both apps have OTPs, pins, biometric login. GCash have proactive fraud protection and transaction notification. Pero based on my experience and based sa mga ginaingon po sa mga users nga mas secure ang si Himaya kaysa ni GCash kay as namtoy recent issue pud nga katong nay mga walan sa GCash which is dili pa gyud siya ingon nga secured 100%. And then for the unique strengths for GCash, it is extensive merchants network, multiple financial service, and offline presence. And for Pimaya, it is high saving interest up to 5%, cryptocurrency and credit focused in modern app and design. So for the conclusion, so choose GCash for its wide acceptance and offline accessibility. And while if you choose Pimaya or Maya, it has a higher saving interest and modern tools. So many users benefits from having both for flexibility. So if kung gusto ka mag-savings, mas wise choice nga mag-save ka sa Pimaya because it has a higher saving interest than the GCash. And in conclusion, GCash and Pimaya, so it is kanang depende ra gyud sa mogamit, which is kanang depende ra pud kung sa ilang gamitan. Kung gusto ka kanang mag-savings, mas lindot si Pimaya mag-save. And when it comes to promo pud, kung gusto ka promos, mas daghan og promos si GCash kaysa ni Pimaya. That's all for my report, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ana, mura tayo?
Sana all.
Siyempre ka? 8 minutes.